Hi everyone, I'm Suyuk from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to change your Snapchat password. Regularly updating your password helps keep your account secure and prevents unauthorized access. So, let's get started on how to change your Snapchat password. First, open the Snapchat app on your device. Go to your Snapchat profile by tapping on the top left corner of your screen. Now, tap on the settings option from the top right corner of your screen. Here, you can find the password option. Simply tap on it. To change the password, you need to enter your current Snapchat password first. Then, tap on the continue button to proceed. Now, in the new password box, enter the new password that you want to use. Re-enter the new password in the confirm box to ensure it matches. Finally, tap on the save button to update your password. And this is how you can change your Snapchat password. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.